Alright, I'm here with a layout, and the background is Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life, and this will be my last layout using the August 2020 kit. And I'm just going to write down what it is I'm doing, what I'm using. So I'm going to use that whole pattern. The blue is just my base, and then, oh no, sorry, my cardstock is going to get cut down. My bad. Had that backwards. And these are the flowers that our realtor sent us on the day we were going to be closing on the house. And I'm not sure what I am doing. I think I went to go let Coco out and totally forgot I was recording. Anyway. So I'm going to use that floral photo mat, which is Amy Tangerine's Picnic in the Park. I'm just going to see if there's any other, because I have so many bits and pieces that I'm like, I've got to use up. It just keeps accumulating over there. So this is day 3 of my winter break. And I'm going to go through and clean and organize my scrapbook room. Let me guess, Sabrina. Squirrel. Come to my bird feeder. Oh, stinker. I'll get him. I'll get him, Sabrina. You just give me a minute. I can always tell when there's a squirrel because Sabrina gets excited. So I'm just going to ink the edges of those. And I thought about using that glitter paper, but I don't. And the green is like green, I don't know. I couldn't use the green. It doesn't go with anything. So I'm going to cut a circle out of this paper, which I didn't write it down. I think I still have that paper. I'll have to. Oh, actually, I got it right here. Let me look. Let me see. I need to buy a new iris container. The cats dropped it and broke it. So mad. Not really. Okay. Alright. Let's get I have not used it all up. Find it. I think I used it all up. Oh, well, never mind. I used it all up. So I can't tell you what it is. Oh, no, it's right here. It is Dear Lizzie Here Now. Oops. So, was a member of Club Scrap for a while, and then theirs was very themed, so I would make the layouts, but unless I went to the beach or a pool where I could use beach themed, or there were some that were like oh, what is it called? It's boating, but unless I'm going on a cruise or something, I can't use it. So I decided to go to something that's more versatile, but I still have several. That was 2000. I was looking, and I got it come with embellishments along with paper, and I have I have some of my cloth drawers in it cubes, and so I was going through and cleaning it while I was just sitting here. Pat was on my lap, so I couldn't really do too much because I was adding these layouts to my blog, and he was on my lap. So I thought, well, while I'm sitting here, let me organize these cloth drawers. And 2012 is, well, actually 2013 is my last kit time I got this kit. But anyway, so I'm going to use this, my decorative scissors to make this border. I'm going to cut it on both sides, and I'm going to cut it in half and use it in each near that pretty aqua paper. I just have to fix it because it's not quite right in the spot, or I try to anyway. I want to make layouts using my club scrap so I can get that, because that's taken up like 3 of my drawers. If I could get those, use those up, I'd have 3 empty drawers. And the stamps are nice to have. Those are always good to have, which I still need some of the stamps. I would put them on the back of the stamp itself, but I have to hot glue it. And then to get it so it sticks, because what did I do? I put film, like the contact paper, over what the stamp is supposed to be, and then I tack it over and over, and then you let that dry, and then that's sticky. It stays sticky. Then I put it to the back of then I just store it in a CD case and label it. So, with my label maker, which is nice. But I need to see if I can find more of these cubes. My drawers, whatnot, they're Sterlite. I got them from Michael's. Anyway. There's some that are, the handles are like they're rusting or something. It's weird. But anyway. Okay, so back to my layout. I'm just looking around my room thinking, so the trophy die cut, well actually the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life exclusive die cuts. And let's see here. The wood, I'm going to use some wooden embellishments, and those are Pink Paisley Smith & Monaco. The sequins are from my stash that I use, and Beautiful and Flawless is Simple Stories Kate Nash foam stickers, and the and is Paintbrush Studio, my favorite story. And that is all. Those stickers are Hippie Club's Awesome Life too, the ones that I'm using. They're like a chipboard sticker. And then that is pretty much it. So excuse the mess in the background of those flowers. Of course, we were, I was in heavy packing mode because we closed on the house on June 11th, which is a Thursday. June 12th is where they did the financing, because they had to actually send a closer to us because the owners of the house actually lived in Vero Beach, which was several hours from us. So we had to sign it. She had to send it to the title company, who then they closed and did the financing on Friday. So we got the keys late Friday. So I had Friday to finish all the packing. And that completes my layout. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those.